Let us start with a new topic today, that is electric field. Now electric field देखो क्या होता है, the region around a charge within which its influence can be experienced. Okay, now consider, say this is a charge Q. Now इसके चारों तरफ हम लोगों ने एक imaginary region इस डॉटेड लाइन से रिप्रेजेंट किया हुआ है, एंड वी आर कंसिडरिंग दैट दिस डॉटेड लाइन रिप्रेजेंट्स द रीजन दैट इज कॉल्ड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. ओके, नाउ इफ आई हैव ए चार्ज हियर, से Q नॉट. नाउ इफ यू ब्रिंग दिस चार्ज inside this region, it will experience some force because of this charge. Okay, and if you take this charge out of this region, then this charge will not have any effect on this charge. That means it will neither have any attractive force or repulsive force. That means the region within which, okay, this test charge can experience some amount of force because of this charge, this region is known as what? Electric field. Here the electric field is produced by this charge, so this is known as source charge. And this is only to check the strength or the existence of this field, so we call this one as test charge. Okay, now electric field, it is a vector quantity, and numerically it is given by F by Q naught. That is, electric field can also be defined as the electrostatic force experienced per unit test charge when placed at that point. Okay, so what will be its SI unit? Force, so Newton. Charge, so per coulomb. What will be the dimension? Force, we have mLT minus 2. Now चार्ज का और एक फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? Q equals to IT, where I is current, T is time. Okay, so in place of IT we can write ampere into time, that is T. So what should be the dimension? M L3 T will go up minus 3 A minus 1. Okay, now to represent the direction and magnitude of electric field, we use certain imaginary lines. These imaginary lines are called electric field lines. Okay, now remember one thing, electric field lines always starts from positive and they ends towards negative. That means पॉजिटिव चार्ज से शुरू होता है और ख़त्म किस तरफ होता है? नेगेटिव चार्ज पे. दैट मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ आई हैव ए पेयर ऑफ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज. ओके, सो ये शुरू कहाँ से हो रहा है? पॉजिटिव चार्ज से. और ख़त्म किस तरफ हो रहा है? नेगेटिव चार्ज. मतलब पॉजिटिव चार्ज से शुरू हुआ, नेगेटिव की तरफ ख़त्म हुआ. So this will be the representation of electric field lines. Now similarly, if you have two positive charges, now understand positive से start होता है, so what you will do, you will assume that the other negative charge is on this side. So positive से शुरू हुआ, negative की तरफ जा रहा है. इस तरफ भी पकड़ लो, एक नेगेटिव चार्ज है, सोच लो, तो ये पॉजिटिव से शुरू हुआ, नेगेटिव की तरफ जा रहा है. Yes or no? So this will be the representation of electric field lines for a pair of positive charge. ये जो बीच वाला जगह है, ये वाला पॉइंट में यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होगा? 0. This is called neutral point. Okay, this is known as neutral point. Now suppose if you are given a plain positive charge. Okay, so this will start from where? Positive, and it will go in this way. Where it will end? It will end at infinity. So now suppose we have here one positive and one negative here. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन कहाँ से शुरू होगा? पॉजिटिव से शुरू हुआ, कहाँ पे ख़त्म हुआ? नेगेटिव पे ख़त्म हुआ. ये हुआ. ऐसे होगा. ओके सो इससे क्या मालूम पड़ा है? देखो यहाँ पे जो ये दोनों लाइन है, ये क्या है? दे आर क्लोज टू ईच अदर comparatively this two line. So the strength of electric field at this point is more compared to this point. Why? Because the electric field line at this point are more close to each other compared to this point. Okay, so as I told you, what are electric field lines? They are imaginary lines which will give you the direction as well as the strength of electric field. Now what are their basic properties? The first property you already know. They start from positive and end towards negative. The second, since they start and they end, so ये सब क्या है? Close नहीं है ना? They are not closed, so they do not form closed loops. Okay, the third one, two electric field lines does not intersect each other. This is because now I told you electric field lines हम लोग को क्या देता है? Direction of electric field. So at the point of intersection, if two electric field lines cross each other, at the point of intersection there will be two direction of electric field, which is not possible. That is why two electric field lines can never intersect with each other. Okay, thank you.